Okay, we're hopping into another round. Not bad. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for them to attack first. Goblin Barrel Rocket. What's happening right now? Okay. Barbarians. Love those dudes. Okay. Put a firecracker out there, you know. The log. I don't have the log yet. Super sad. Okay, let's get some connection. No, Valkyrie just stopped the midway, you know. Let's get some Skeleton King in there, you know. Okay, what is his ability? Goblin Gang. We just got cooked. Okay, we still have connection. Okay. Princess is over there. Got Tower 1, okay. Last time, got a little hate, so, but it was a win, so I don't really care. So, you know. Goblin Barrel again, let's baby dragon them. Can't rock it, I don't think. They don't have enough. Elixir Golem again, you know, W Elixir Golem. He's too good for this world. Firecracker, okay, we're gonna get some connection over here. Still live, Firecracker, still live. I haven't seen Tower 11s in a long time, so only Tower 10. I'm not the only 11, I feel like. Let's Goblin Gang them. We'll just take a bite of that tower. Okay, let's put Skeleton Army over here. They don't have log anymore, I'm just gonna use Firecracker now. I'm invincible. That tower is mine, for real, actually. Come on, let's let them get that tower. Okay. Just bomb rush them. Skeleton King over here. Use that ability. Boom. More final hit. Tower's mine. I gotta win. W game. Gotta stay humble.